Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, yesterday we did analysis on GBPJPY. I told you guys that for today, there's every possibility that price will get to level of 155. We can take a look at it today. GBPJPY gave us that bearish move. I talked about it's either we have a bullish move around this level or price will drop to a level of 155 before we get find that rejection like that bullish move. Then price eventually give us that bullish move. We take out this level. I told you guys that we're very much likely to come take out this, will I call it liquidity or this candlestick wick that is taken out. Price can eventually drop to this level, which is a level of 155 to take it out. So price has now taken out that level. So what do we expect next? We should be watching out for, will I call it a pullback or kind of like a bullish move? Anyhow you would want to see it. One thing I know for sure is that we should be expecting kind of like a bullish move on GBP, JPY. So once price goes to that level, then price started giving us, like, will I call it a rejection at that level or a pullback? One of the reasons why candlestick wick is taken at the bottom. So this bullish move is here. Let us try and go bullish on this GBP JPY. Let's see if we can go ahead and hit a level of 158. Currently, GBP JPY is trading at 156. How are we watching out? I personally would be watching out for a level of 158. That should be giving me about 200 pips. If I can grab it in 2 days, GBP JPY is a very volatile pair. There's no doubt that we can actually hit that price. We can actually hit that level in a day. But let's see if we will be able to hit that level by the time before this week will end. So 158 is a level that I am watching out for on GBPJPY. Of course, when you take a look at this movement again, when you see something like this on GBPJPY, let's say something like this played out, there was a drop and a pullback was made. Then again, a new drop was played out here and we got a pullback here. When you now see a new drop here, which was massive, then a pullback was made. Now that you've gotten this kind of like a drop, what do you expect? We expect, if in case this price will continue to go bearish, then you expect a pullback. So I mean that pullback, right? I think we are already having it, which is more on the forward time frame. Take a look at the forward time frame. We are kind of having it. So maybe by tomorrow we should be able to see it, visible. So one of the reasons why I am watching out for a level of 158. We might not get to that level to the next day, which is for the fourth, which is on Wednesday. We might not get to that level on Wednesday. Maybe on Thursday we might get to that level or on Friday. But this week I would want to watch out for a level of 158 on GBPJPY. So I think you all should watch out for it. So that means we should be speculating a bullish move on GBPJPY. So let's see if in case this pullback can come hit a level of 158 or possibly hit our 10 period moving average before we get that drop. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So kind of like a bullish move is playing out. So let's see it play out. Take out this level, which is a level of 158. Once this bullish move can play out, it's a level of 158. I will be expecting a drop again on GBP JPY.